Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope that you all are doing great. Welcome to your channel Maths D1 D2 Scientific Academy. Today our lecture is related to chapter 12 and the syllabus is your new syllabus Mathematics to D2 Maths. And the name of the chapter is Volume and Surface Area of the Pyramids. So I'm going to explain you question number 12. Here you can see the figure. There is no figure given in your book. The question is a pyramid has a rectangular base of side 16 meter by 14 meter. Given that the volume of the pyramid is 700 meter cube, find its height and the total surface area. This question is just like question number 1, and they are saying that there is a pyramid with a rectangular base, and the length and width of the base is 16 and 14. 16 and 14. Alright. So given that the volume of the pyramid is 700 meter cube, volume is given which is 700 meter cube. Volume of the pyramid is given which is 700 meter cube. Okay, they are saying then find its height and total surface area. So first we'll find out the height, and we will use the formula to find out the volume of the pyramid. Then we can find out the height. So just remember that here I have drawn the figure so that it would be easy for us to solve the sums. They have told you the base area, that's the pyramid, and the base area is given. The length of the base, the length of the width, and the height of the base area is given. So we can find out rest of the things. So the first part is simple. I will come to these pictures, that what these pictures are about. Then I'll explain you that how can we solve for total surface area. Okay, first simply we will write down the formula of the pyramid to find the volume of the pyramid. The formula is volume of the pyramid is equal to 1/3 multiplied by base area multiplied by height. So volume is given, that is 700 meter cube. I will write down 700 over here. 1/3 I will write as it is. Now base area means that you have to find out the area of this rectangular part. So you know that the formula to find out the area of the rectangle is length multiplied by width. So here I am going to multiply length and width to find out the base area. Length is 16 and 14 is width. Always remember that students, length is always greater than breadth. Okay, length multiplied by breadth. So length is always greater than breadth. So it means that the length is 16 and the breadth is 14. So 16 multiplied by 14 and multiplied by height, we have to find it out. Now multiply this 16 with 14. So what we will get? (16 multiplied by 14) will be equal to 224 multiplied by height. So students, here you can see that this is 224 over 3 multiplied by height. We have to find out the height, so we'll move these two things to this side. Here you can see that 224 is multiplying with height. When it will come to this side, it will divide. And this 3 is dividing over here. When it will come to this side, it will multiply with 700. So height will be equal to 700 multiplied by 3, 7 is 21, 2100 over 224. So height will be equal to 2100 divided by 224. 9.375. So height is 9.375 meter. So this is the height. Now we have found the height. Now let's come to part 2. This was part 1 in which we have to find out the height. Now let's come to part 2 where we have to find out the total surface area. So I'm going to erase it so that I can find out. So to find out the surface area, what you need to do is you have to take one point at the mid of this rectangular base, and you have to draw the vertical from V to O. Then you have to join this O with this point with the mid of QR, and then with the mid of PQ. Then you have to join V with this point, and you can say that this is VOA. So this is A, the first point is A, and the other point is B. So here this is A and this is point B. Alright, so VOA is another separate triangle and VOB is a separate triangle. Okay, I will join B with B. I will give this point B and I will give this point A, the name A, the name B. Okay, so now we are having two triangles, two another triangles, VOA and VOB. I have drawn these two triangles separately over here. Here you can see that these two are the triangles. So students, remember that as you can see that P is the half of PQ. So this is the length of OA will be equal to 7 meter. This is here you can see that 16 meter is the total height now. So this is VOB will be equal to 8 because OB is the half of 16 meter and OA is the half of, here you can see that O is the half of PQ, which is 14, so half will be 7. So here I have written OA is equal to 7 meter and OB is equal to 8 meter. Okay ji. Now we'll find out the area. As we know that to find out the total surface area, we have to find out the area of all the triangles. So first I'm going to find out the area of the rectangle. So rectangle is here you can see that the rectangle is PQRS. So we have to find out the area of this rectangle. So with the formula is length multiplied by breadth. Length is 16 and breadth is 14. So when I multiply it, I will get 16 multiplied by 14 will be equal to 224. Okay, now I'm going to find out the area of and yes, now we're going to find out the area of VQR. Here you can see that this triangle VQR. Triangle VQR. Okay, so just remember that we have found this height, so I can write down this height. The height is, we have found in the previous part, so it was so we have found the height in part 1 and that was 9.375 meter. So here the height is same 9.375. So students, we are finding out we are finding out the area of the triangles. So the height is given, which is 9.375. Now we are going to find out the area of VQR. Here you can see that VQR. So the height is given, which is 9.375. So now I'm going to find out the area of this triangle. As you know that the formula to find out the area of the triangle is half multiplied by base multiplied by height. So half, base is given, base is 16 meter. Okay, the height we have found, which is 9.375. Okay, so now we have found the height. Okay students, here you can also round up this number, so your answer would be 584 meters square. Okay, you can round off this number, so 584 would be your answer.